Alright, here we're going to look at some properties from unit number 7 on logarithms. So recall that a log is an inverse of an exponential. So if we look at an exponential, b to the x power equals y, well, a log is the inverse operation. So we can convert the exponential into a log by what I like to call bapping it. So the values here, these are all represent numbers, go in the order of base, answer, power. This is base, answer, power. Okay. So the first number, which is a subscript, is going to be your base. That's going to be down below. Then your answer to this, which would be your y, is what you're taking the log of, equals a power, which in this case is x. So a log is equal to a power. Let's go base, answer, power. And then if you want to go the other way, you just rearrange the other way. This is your base, this is your power, this is your answer. So in number 26, write the equation 4 to the 1/2 power equals 2 in log form. So it's currently in this form. We want to write it in that form. So this is log. Your base is 4, so that's a little subscript. Your answer to this is 2, and then it equals the power, which is 1/2. So this is log form. Now this question, we want to go the other way. So again, this is base, answer, power. So your base is 3 to the power of -2 equals your answer, which is 1/9. Okay? So there's your answer there. Here's your answer there. So this is just going back and forth between the two forms. The next one here, number 28, what's the value of log base 6 of 1,296? Well, remember that this is equal to a power. So this says 6 to what power gets you 1,296? Well, since it's multiple choice, you can just try the different answers. Okay? But on this one, I don't give you any options. So let's try, 6 to the power. Let's try what 3 is. Oh, well, we got a long way to go. So let's try 6 to the power of 4. Hey, that's it, 1296. So we know that this expression, x is equal to 4 here. So 4 is the answer to 6 to what power gets you 1296. Now, if you don't want to do it that way, remember you can use the change of base formula. You can do the log in base 10 of 1296 over log of 6, and you can plug that in your calculator and we should get the same answer. Log of 1296, close your parentheses, divided by the log of 6, and you get 4 is your answer that way as well. Okay? So either way, you get the same answer of 4. Okay? One more problem from Unit 7 for now. In Unit 7 also, we had write this as a single log. So here we have to use a couple properties from Unit 7. In Unit 7, we talked about, let me get it. These properties here, okay, where if you add two logs together, you multiply the values. If you subtract two logs from one another, you divide the two values you're taking the logs of. And then if you have a number out in front, that can go up to the power, or the power can come back out in front. It works both ways. Okay. So here, if we want to combine this into one log, first thing we have to do is we got to get rid of the numbers out in front. So these numbers have to come up to the power. So this is log base a of x to the third power minus log base a of y to the second power. Now that we just have logs, now we can use the subtraction rule. When you subtract two logs, you take the two values and you divide. So this is log base A of x to the third over y squared. So then there is your final answer there. Okay? So that does it for logs for right now.